Hi, I am Ronald Mark L. Masalonga and my group mate Christian Asher Limbo. So, let's start. You will see the login page that has text boxes to input your username and password, a checkbox to show the password, and buttons for login and sign up. If you have an account, you can proceed to input your username and password. But if you don't have an account, you can click the sign up button to go to the sign up form. In the sign up form, you will enter your name, username, and password. After that, you will click the sign up button and automatically proceed to the login form. In the login form, you will enter your username and password. If the username or password is incorrect, it will say incorrect username and password. If the information are correct, you will proceed to the main dashboard. On the main dashboard, you will see menus such as cold or hot brewed coffee, food or snacks, and add-ons or extras. There are also 3 buttons for reset, update, and buy. And you can review your order in the review section. Once you choose your order, you can click the checkbox and input the quantity. Then, you will press the update button to show it in the review section. If you choose the wrong order, you can click the reset button to erase your orders. If you are sure about your order, you can click the buy button to proceed to the receipt form. When you are on the receipt form, you will see your orders and the total amount of your orders. There is a text box to input the amount of cash you will pay and a button to view your change. If the amount you input is less than to the total amount of your orders, it will say that your input is insufficient. Otherwise, it will display your change. Once everything is completed, you can print the receipt by clicking the print button. And you will see the official receipt.